Guys, we will tie the hairs on the back, leaving few section of the hairs in the front. Now make the plaits on the front like this. Take the hairs from the sides and keep making the plaits. Follow the same step for the other side. Now make the plaits on the back and fix it on the top in a shape of a heart. Fix it using the rubber band like this. Now tie the hairs and it's ready. Further, divide the hairs like this. Now make the plaits in the front as we are making. Take the few section of the hairs from the sides and keep making the plait. Now on the side, we will make the plaits like this and fix the hairs on the top. Now fix the plaited hairs like this. Join them and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs and make this bun. So first we will put the pin, roll the hairs around it and then fold it upward to make a bun. Fix the bun pin like this, fix the flower on it and your bun is ready. Next, we'll tie the hairs on the back and put this beautiful hair clip. Now fix the ribbon on it by making the plaits. After that, we will divide the hairs and tie the plaits again like this and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching.